So Discord just roll out a new feature called Discord Checkpoint. So I want to show you how to access the checkpoint feature on a Discord. First, make sure you update your Discord app, and after that you need to simply open up the Discord. You can also find this same option on a web, but right now I want to just use my phone, and here I want to show you how to see basically the checkpoints on a Discord. So below you notice that there is a U option, so simply tap on this one. Now here you will find there is a new checkpoint option which recently updated on a Discord. So if you want to know your checkpoints on a Discord, you need to simply tap on this green arrow, and now here it will be display all my checkpoints of 2025. So here I just want to tap on next arrow few times once all the pages are completed. So now I can easily find my all 2025 summary in this checkpoint. Now here you can see I can easily see all the summaries of my checkpoint on Discord by using this method. So this is feature like a Spotify Wrapped, which helps you to check out all your song activity on Spotify, but right now Discord allows you to check your all activities of the last year on Discord by using this checkpoint feature.